something I can do for you?
I'm looking for a girl.
Hey, we all!
I have her ticket.
Wait, looky here. Oh, this is an official, authentic, genuine ticket to ride. Oh, you better keep this in a safe place, young man. If I was you, I'd keep all my valuables right here in the old size 13. Experience shows this is the safest place. Not that I have much use for those tickets. I ride for free. Oh, yeah. I hop aboard this rattler anytime I feels like it. I own this train. Oh, yeah. It's like I'm the king of this train. Yeah, the king of the Polex. In fact, I am the king of the North Pole! Now, where's my man? Sit. Take a load of it. Hey, would you like some Joe? Nice hot refreshment, perfect for a cold winter's night. Bless you.
What about Santa?
Santa?
Isn't he the king of the North Pole?
You mean this guy? What exactly is your persuasion on the big man, since you brought him up?
Well, I want to believe. But
you don't want to be bamboozled. You don't want to be led down the primrose path. You don't want to be conned or duped. Have the wool pulled over your eyes. Hoodwinked. You don't want to be taken for a ride. Railroaded. Seeing is believing. Am I right?
But what about this train?
What about it?
We're all really going to the North Pole, aren't we?
Aren't we?
Are you saying that this is all just a dream?
You said it, kid. Not me. So, let's go find that girl. One other thing. Do you believe in ghosts? Interesting.
Wait! Wait!
I'm a ghost. Ghost.